everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the chapter Real Number, chapter 1. Question says that prove that root 5 is irrational number. जब भी हमें किसी नंबर को irrational prove करना होता है, we have to assume it a rational number. Let root 5 be a rational number. Now, what is a rational number? Rational number is expressed in the form of P by Q, where P and Q both are co-prime. Co-prime means जिसका HCF 1 हो. Now, we know that P and Q only both have HCF as 1. We have squared on both the sides. Squaring both the sides, we get root 5 square P by Q whole square. Root 5 square gives 5. Here in the right hand side P square by Q square. हमने Q square को left hand side ले गए in product gives 5Q square equals to P square, which says that multiplying a number with 5 gives P square, which also means that 5 divides P square. If 5 is dividing P square, then 5 also divide P. How? 5 divide P square, it means 5 is dividing 25. 5 into 5. If 5 is dividing 25, 5 can also divide 5. So 5 divide P also. Now, here from this equation we can conclude that if we multiply something to 5, it gives P. If the factor we consider as C, multiplication factor consider as C, then it gives 5 multiplied to some number gives P. If P is equal to 5C, we have assumed, and in this equation if I place substitute the value of P as 5C, we get 5Q square is equal to 5C square. Now 5 and 25 gets cancelled. It gives Q square is equal to 5C square. From this equation, it shows that if we take 5 in the right hand side denominator, it divides Q square also. Hence 5 is dividing Q square. 5 also can divide Q. From this we conclude that 5 divides P square and Q square. 5 divide P and Q. So 5 is the factor of both P and Q. But what we have assumed that P and Q are co-primes. It means no other factor than 1. But here, assuming root 5 as a rational, we concluded that 5 is a factor of both P and Q. But we have assumed only 1 as the HCF of P and Q. Now, this contradicts our assumption that root 5 is a rational number. Hence, root 5 is a irrational number. Thank you.